Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. We are on Unit 6, Week 5, Day 3 in our morning workbook. The directions say edit, write each sentence correctly, use commas and quotation marks where they are needed. Number 1, I asked, did Mother misplace her money? You're going to fix it up. Pause your video and fix it up. Number 2, I made a mistake and I is sorry. Same thing, pause your video and fix it up. All right, moving on to the daily math review. Do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pause your video. Number 6, circle the shape that is a solid figure. So out of these three shapes, which one is a solid figure? Number 7, I don't think I need to explain this one, but you do need to show your work. So show me that you solved 81 plus 47. Show me that you solved 58 plus 62. Show me that you solved the sum of all these when you put them together. So pause your video and do number 7. Number 8, Jeff says his dad is about 2 yards tall. Is that a good estimate? Why or why not? Write your answer for number 8. All right, number 9, you're going to circle 1, AM or PM. From noon until midnight is AM or PM. From midnight until noon is AM or PM. All right, let's start checking from the top. I asked, did Mother misplace her money? So I'm going to go straight to a quote, right? This is something, if you asked, right, you're asking a question, right? You're making a statement. In this case, you're asking a question. I asked, right? And then that also tells me this is going to get a question mark because it's a question. I asked, did Mother misplace her money? So then we need a quotation mark over here because that's the end of what I asked. And then we'll go back to the beginning. So I asked, did Mother is spelled incorrectly, and Mother is M-O-T-H-E-R, misplace. Miss does not have two S's, right? It's a prefix. So it's M-I-S, miss, and then place, P-L-A-C-E. Did Mother misplace her money? And then money is spelled incorrectly. Money is M-O-N-E-Y. Okay, and then what else am I missing? Oh, we need a capital over here on did because that's the beginning of what was being said. Even though we have a capital here, we have to have one here because it's in quotes. All right, so let's start. Let's go ahead and rewrite it nice and neat. All right, number 1 looks good. So let's move on to number 2. I made a mistake and I is sorry. So we need a capital I. Made is spelled wrong. That says mad. We want an E at the end. M-A-D-E. Made. I made a mistake. This is just like our last one on misplace, right? So the prefix is M-I-S, missed, and then take, T-A-K-E. I made a mistake, and I, capital again, not is, it should be am. The verb should be am. I am sorry. Period. I made a mistake and I am sorry. So I need, hold on, we're missing something. I made a mistake, oh, comma. Right? Because I made a mistake could be a sentence all on its own, and I am sorry could be a sentence. But we're combining the two sentences, so we have to use a comma in the middle. All right, now we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, looks good. Let's move on to the daily math review. And so we'll start with 18 minus 9 equals 9, because 9 plus 9 equals 18. And then 16 minus 9 equals 7. And 17 minus 9 equals 8. And 14 minus 9 equals 5. And 13 minus 9 equals 4. Number 6, circle the shape that is a solid figure. That's a square. That's not solid. This is a quadrilateral, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, trapezoid. So it's not a solid figure, but this is a cube. It is. All right, so for this one, I'm going to show my work. I got to show these problems. So the first one is 81 plus 47. So that's going to be 8. And this is going to be 8 and 4 is 12, so 120. So 128. And then the next part is going to be 58 plus 62. So 58 plus 62. And that's going to be 100, so, or 10, sorry. So then we've got 6 plus 5 plus 6, so that's 120. Okay, so we write that there. And now we're going to add together 128 plus 120. So we have 8 ones, 4 tens, and 200, so 248. So my total is 248. Okay. Jeff says his dad is about 2 yards. Is that a good estimate? So if you think about yards, you've seen a yardstick, right? We're all familiar with a yardstick. So Jeff said his dad is about 2 of those. I'd say yes. I'd say that's about a good estimate. Yes. So yes. Whoops. Yes. And then why? I'd say, well, 2 yards, right? Each yard is 3 feet. 2 yards equals 6 feet. Why or why not? Because 2 yards equals, ooh, that's a weird looking cue. Hold on. All right, we all make mistakes, don't we? 2 yards equals 6 feet. All right, and most men are around 6 feet. I'm not 6 foot, but close. All right, from noon until midnight. From noon until midnight is PM. And then from midnight until noon is AM. All right, we're all done with our morning work. Good luck with your next assignment.